Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to sell NFTs that are minted on the Kronos network. Okay, so normally all of these, they have their own marketplace. You're also able to sell them on Ebisu's Pay, which is a marketplace that collects all of the Kronos NFTs, and it's kind of like the open sea of the Kronos network. Okay, so first you want to head over to app.ebisusbay.com. It now looks like this. It has a new interface. You want to connect your DeFi wallet just like this, pointed, and on your phone you're waiting to connect. You want to hit connect. Now we're connected. Okay, you want to head over here, click my NFTs, and now you see all of the NFTs you own on the Kronos chain. To sell one, you can hit sell, enter a price, 1,000, and you can see here there's a service fee and there's a royalty fee. The service fee can be reduced if you cop one of these founding members card. I'm gonna leave a referral code down in the description to save 5% of this founding members card. This one will, in the long run, if you're planning on flipping NFTs, if you're planning on selling and buying NFTs on the Ebisu network, you should definitely get one. And you can save 5% by adding the referral code that I used, and also check out the video which is up in the right hand side corner to see exactly how to buy one. Okay, we enter the price, 1,000, continue, finish. So now you can see that it actually costs 1.8 Crow to do this, confirm. So make sure you have some Crow on your DeFi wallet, otherwise you might not be able to do this, or you will actually not be able to do this. Okay, so now it's pending, successful, undefined. So now if I hit refresh up here, you can see that now it's for sale for 1,000 Crow. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. This is how you sell your NFTs on Ebisu's Pay. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.